summer on our doorstep and fire seasons are approaching, now is a good time to grab your gloves and do your annual roof and gutter clean. Cleaning your gutters regularly will extend the life of your guttering as well as allowing rainwater to flow better so they do not block and cause further problems to your property. This saves you the hassle of dealing with clogged drains and water damage in the future, and by removing leaves and debris will also keep your rainwater tank clean and replenished. For all your plumbing needs and more useful plumbing tips and tricks, visit W&M Plumbing.com.